I know you lying. Oh, we are coming back though. It's the thought that counts.
We must prioritize personhood. Can I love them? Or do I see them more in this colonialist construct, this bifurcation, this division, they're our object. Of Christ we pray.
I trip you down in crystals if I know you real.
Even your enemies. Alright, my shit just finished airdropping. Gotta resume. Smells so good. Oh, this is dead ass right now. Now it's falling downwards. What that mean?
How the F is my check $400 and this lady just walked in here and got a whole massage at $400 and shop with me or support me? Like, this is a big deal. So, you know, the fact that I've mastered how to connect with people online and build trustworthiness, this is a blessing. And I literally teach people how to do this now. And it's just crazy how it all plays out. Like, I never would have thought that I would be like a social media strategist, a coach, or whatever the case may be. But this is truly my life path and my life purpose. God literally made me go through trial and error. Every business I ran, by the way, was all of my supporters came from the internet. It was never like a storefront. It was never like a word of mouth. Everything was on the internet. You know, to really show people strategy. You know, how do you create content that, how do you build a community? How do you create quality content? I'm just so grateful to God that He made me how I am. Because, like, another thing I love about myself, sorry I'm crying, another thing I truly love about myself is that I don't understand. Right now, brands are offering like $3,000 to $4,000 per rep. Like, really show me the ropes. Like, you know, like, really be like, yo, this is how you win. Really doing this. Like, it comes from the soul. And my business, really work all day. I'm always on my computer, always working. And it's like, this shit pays off. Hard work pays off.
Yeah, I'm back.
This is fire.
But the way that you think, bro, it's gonna be cyber, dog. I work for the government and CEOs sitting over here on the yachts, going to all these islands, going to all these secret parties, you know, spending all this money. Where is the pizza party, dog? The people are gonna get mad when they realize that they could have been getting some goddamn bomb ass pizza parties this whole time. Like,
B2B blast already out. But nah, I'm just super proud of myself. It is Valentine's Day. That doesn't concern me. I'm gonna be single for life, and here's why. And I feel as if though there are whores. And I feel as if though nobody can actually deny temptation. You shouldn't be trying to force yourself to like deny temptation anyway. It should be natural. I don't have the mental capacity to see in my past. I just wanted to be a good wife. I want to be a good wife. Always until some shit happened. I don't think you guys realize how delusional I really am. It's worked in my favor a few times. I am on another planet. And the big thing for me is, like, if you're my in my head, if you're my fucking man in my head, some shit just will never sit right with me. I don't give a fuck. I really don't. I may be delusional, but it's not far from the truth. You know? I don't think things for no reason, but I said all that to say, fuck your Americanized holiday. I don't give a fuck. And I mean, great morning in regard to waking up, doing what I have to do. Woke up, I got in the shower, I was in tune with myself as an entrepreneur and a hustler trying to make it, right? Look, my life, just please ignore it. Solid 10 to 13 people, that's just, y'all are always liking the video. Y'all are always showing up and showing out, right? You're gonna press that like button. Ain't nothing stopping you. Unless you're a liquefied bitch. Like, you're not even solid. That's okay.
So the less money in the whole ecosystem, the less your dollar is worth, right? So you need more dollars to buy the same exact thing.
Woke up, a new place. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, I'll be out here. Yeah, it's gonna be okay.
AK drop.
If it's not my money, why you in my head?
If I tell you this push, you gon' hope it. See when you see me in the smoke, don't be unleashing.
Little white bitch, I don't know her name. Even though she real fast. When she give me head, I can tell she was smart. I think she real classy. No, I be putting it on. This ain't no casualty. Show some niggas ain't throwing money. They just be handing out perks. I pull on the tutor, we'll look like the lava. Keep some hoes in Vegas, now I love the vibe. This bitch ain't my kids, ain't no loans or vibe.
I just be flipping my money. Came from the block, serving the checks. Niggas ain't getting no more. Nigga like me.
I'm not near one of these hoes. Bitch, help pretty please. I really been itching to go the fuck off. How with this Giuseppe Hill in your mouth? Bitch, I'm the shit and then some. Fucking race cause I been one. And if you don't like it, tune the fuck out. You must like it cause you tuned the fuck in.
Ain't no need to question.
Yo. Shit, y'all. You're still here. Hey guys. When Eco Style hardens, it gets like flaky sometimes. I'm on the last braid. I'm gonna leave these in for at least. So braid outs are really fire if you leave them in for like a super long time. Riding through the 772 that I got for you is true. This particular morning, I'm feeling really good. Write that section down, going in with some coconut oil on there. Put a little gel. Here we go. So, good afternoon. Follow my TikTok for more, babe. Why you gotta do it like that? See you guys in the next video.
Won't you stand by me?
trade won't feed you. It's only one of him. So Atlanta number Lions here. Raised not to have a figure. When that one was more than a train. Can't see nobody out of their money, so all of their money keep blocking out of the thing. And we want to drink, we bottle champagne. The power of money, the car, the whole the fame.